To use the employee map in Fergus, your team needs to enable location sharing in the Fergus Go app. Here's how to get it set up. First, enable location in Fergus Go. Open the Fergus Go app and tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Go to Settings and tap Locations. Toggle GPS location on. But that's just the first step. To make sure Fergus can actually access your location, you'll need to adjust your device settings. Let's go through how to do this on both Android and iPhone. On Android, open your device's settings and go to Apps. If you're using a Samsung, look for Applications and then the Application Manager. Find and tap Fergus Go. Under Permissions, turn on Location Access. Select Allow all the time. If you choose Allow while using the app, you'll be prompted for permission every time you open Fergus Go. On iPhone, open the Settings app and find Fergus Go. Turn on these three settings. Location. Set this to Always. Choosing while using the app means you'll need to grant permission every time you open Fergus. Motion and Fitness. This helps improve battery life by only using GPS when movement is detected. Background App Refresh. This allows Fergus to update your location while using other apps. If turned off, location updates will only happen when you're actively using Fergus Go. If you've set location permissions to Always, your phone may ask you to confirm whether you still want to allow continuous access. Just tap Always Allow to keep everything running smoothly. And that's it! You've successfully set up Fergus's location feature. Now check out our guide on the employee map to see it in action.